equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on adjusting the lid closure of your Thermomix TM31. This is a crucial maintenance task that ensures your appliance functions correctly and safely. Let's dive into the tools and steps required for this process. First, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have these handy before we start. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected from the power source. Once unplugged, place the appliance on a stable surface to work comfortably. Next, we will remove the lid. To do this, locate the screws on the top of the lid. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these. Keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lid off the bowl. Now, let's inspect the closure mechanism. You may notice that the closure is not aligning properly. This can often be due to debris or wear over time. Take your soft cloth and clean the area around the closure. Ensure there are no food particles or residue that could interfere with the lid's function. If you find that the closure is still not functioning correctly, it may require adjustment. Look for the adjustment screws located on the side of the closure mechanism. Using your flathead screwdriver, turn these screws slightly to adjust the tension. It's important to make small adjustments and test the closure after each turn. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. After making the necessary adjustments, reattach the lid by aligning it with the bowl and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that the lid is firmly in place and that the closure mechanism operates smoothly. Once the lid is secured, plug your Thermomix TM31 back in and perform a quick test. Run a short program to ensure everything is functioning as it should. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is here to help. Finally, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect should you need further assistance. Regular maintenance like this can prolong the life of your Thermomix and ensure it continues to serve you well in the kitchen. Thank you for following along, and happy cooking. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.